Welcome to the digital industrial revolution. Imagine being able to duplicate every piece of your machinery into a virtual digital twin. Place your machinery anywhere, from the showroom to your company's warehouse, or in specific settings like a forest. At industry fairs, use virtual reality to impress and engage your visitors. While your hostesses let visitors physically touch the machinery through MetaQuest headsets, onlookers watch what's happening in real time on the large screen. Your experts, engineers, and technicians, now accessible from all over the world, can assist clients in real time, even from the comfort of their homes, saving thousands of euros for each resource. Virtual settings prove useful and functional for training and assistance, making them more effective and efficient. Reduce costs and improve effectiveness, making your technology and know-how accessible anywhere with virtual reality VR. Join us in the era of digital twins. Learn more at www.MIGAVERSE.it.